Hello, and welcome to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Today, we embark on a journey to transform your home, one cabinet at a time. Imagine opening your cabinet doors to a sight that sparks joy, where each item has its designated place, and a sense of calm washes over you. This is the power of a well-organized cabinet. It's not just about storage, it's about creating a space that brings peace and functionality into your life. Just as we cherish our belongings by giving them a proper home, our cabinets deserve the same care and attention. We'll explore the art of selecting, designing, and organizing the best cabinet ever. One that perfectly reflects your needs and elevates your home's aesthetic. Whether you're an organization enthusiast or just starting, this video will equip you with practical tips and tricks to maximize your storage space and infuse joy into every corner. So let's gather our tools and embark on this fulfilling journey to create a cabinet that sparks joy every time you open its doors. Before we dive into the exciting world of cabinets, let's take a moment to reflect. Just like tidying, creating the best cabinet starts with understanding its purpose. Ask yourself, what is the reason for this cabinet's existence? What joy will it bring to my home? Begin by envisioning the space where this cabinet will reside. Will it grace your kitchen with its presence, offering a haven for your culinary treasures? Or perhaps it's destined for your bathroom, promising to organize your self-care essentials. Next, consider the items you wish to entrust to this cabinet's care. Are they everyday essentials that deserve a prime spot, or cherished belongings that require a safe and organized haven? Measure your space carefully, ensuring your dream cabinet can comfortably integrate into its surroundings. And lastly, envision the style that speaks to your heart. Does your home exude modern minimalism, or does it embrace the warmth of traditional charm? Now that you've reflected on your needs, let's explore the diverse world of cabinets. Each type possesses a unique personality, ready to complement your home and fulfill your storage aspirations. Freestanding cabinets, with their independent spirit, can easily find a home in any room, adapting to your changing needs. Built-in cabinets, on the other hand, seamlessly integrate into your home's architecture, maximizing space and offering a polished look. Modular cabinets, like building blocks of organization, empower you to customize your storage solution piece by piece. And for those seeking to elevate their belongings, wall-mounted cabinets provide a stylish display while optimizing floor space. As you ponder the perfect cabinet type, consider the materials that resonate with your vision. Natural wood exudes warmth and timeless elegance, while MDF offers a budget-friendly and versatile option. Metal cabinets bring an industrial chic aesthetic, while glass cabinets, like display cases for cherished belongings, invite light and showcase your treasures. With the ideal cabinet type in mind, let's unlock the secret to a well-organized interior, a thoughtful layout. Just as every item in our home deserves a designated space, so too do the contents of our cabinets. Adjustable shelves, like gentle guides, adapt to accommodate items of varying heights, maximizing vertical space. Drawers, with their smooth gliding mechanisms, provide a sense of order and easy access to frequently used items. Doors, like guardians of our belongings, shield them from dust while offering a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. Dividers, like invisible organizers, create compartments within drawers, ensuring every item has its designated place. And for those hard-to-reach corners, pull-out trays, like magic drawers, bring everything within arm's reach, eliminating the need for unnecessary searching. Remember, a well-designed cabinet is a symphony of functionality and accessibility, where every item can be retrieved with ease and joy. If technology sparks joy, explore online tools like Foyer Neo or SketchUp to digitally design your layout. Embrace the process of experimentation, finding the perfect arrangement that brings you peace. Chapter 4. Building or assembling your cabinet. Now let's bring our vision to life. Whether you choose to build your cabinet from scratch or assemble a pre-loved one, approach this step with a joyful heart and a meticulous eye. For those embracing the art of building, gather your materials, ensuring each piece sparks joy with its quality and craftsmanship. Follow your blueprint diligently, treating it as a map to your cabinet's successful creation. If you've chosen to assemble a pre-purchased cabinet, lay out all the parts with care, like greeting old friends. As you connect each piece, imagine the joy it will bring when it becomes a home for your cherished belongings. And remember, safety is paramount. If your cabinet requires anchoring for stability, do so with precision, ensuring a secure and lasting presence in your home. Chapter 5. Organizing the inside. Ah, the moment we've all been waiting for. With our cabinet built, it's time to infuse it with the magic of organization. Remember, our goal is to create a space that sparks joy every time we open its doors. Let's categorize our items, bringing together those with shared purposes. Just as we tidy our homes by category, we'll do the same for our cabinet. Next, let's invite organizers into our cabinet. Drawer dividers, shelf risers, and clear storage bins will maximize space and keep everything visible. Labeling is key. Just as a well-organized library has a clear system, our cabinet will benefit from labels. Use your favorite labels or create your own, clearly identifying the contents. Remember to utilize vertical space wisely. Stackable containers, tiered shelves, and hooks on the back of doors can maximize every inch of our cabinet. And lastly, let's prioritize accessibility. Keep everyday essentials within easy reach while storing seasonal items higher. Chapter 6. Decorating your cabinet. Our cabinet is organized and functional, but let's not forget the element of joy. Just as we adorn ourselves with accessories that spark happiness, our cabinet deserves a touch of personality. If your cabinet's exterior calls for a refresh, consider painting it in a color that brings you joy or staining it to enhance its natural beauty. Wallpaper or contact paper can also add a touch of whimsy or elegance. Open shelves offer an opportunity to display items that spark joy. Arrange your favorite books, vases, or framed photos, creating a curated vignette that reflects your passions and adds visual interest to your space. Remember, decorating our cabinet is an act of self-expression, a way to infuse our personality into our surroundings and create a space that truly feels like home. Chapter 7. Maintenance and long-term care. Congratulations on creating your best cabinet ever. Now let's discuss maintaining this joy for years to come. Regularly clean shelves, dust drawers, and address spills promptly. Periodically inspect hardware, tighten screws, and fix wear and tear. Annually declutter, donate, or discard items. Avoid overloading shelves to prevent clutter. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent musty odors. Balance aesthetics with functionality. Choose a cabinet that meets your needs and brings joy. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating and organizing the best cabinet ever. From assessing your needs and selecting the perfect type to designing the layout, organizing the interior, and adding decorative touches, we've covered it all. Remember, a well-organized cabinet is more than just a storage solution. It's a reflection of your commitment to creating a home that sparks joy. By following these tips and infusing the process with your unique personality, you'll create a cabinet that not only keeps your belongings organized but also brings a sense of peace and satisfaction to your everyday life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Let us know in the comments which cabinet solution inspired you the most, or share your own organization tips. Thank you for joining me on this organizational journey. Here's to a clutter-free and beautiful home.